How to fix Vanguard User Mode Service High CPU 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to fix Vanguard User Mode Service High CPU 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just really quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, what we need to do is just head over to our search bar right here and search for Task Manager. And then from in here you can just click on this Run as Administrator. Now, once you're in here, you just need to look for Vanguard on the list of tasks. So we're in here, just scroll down until you can see the Vanguard right here. Now, once you have seen that, for example, this one thing right here is Vanguard, what you need to do is to just right click on that, click on Properties. And in here, you can see their properties, right? So what you need to do is to just check their compatibility. The next thing you need to do is to just right click in here. And then from in there, you can just click on End Task right here in order to end this task. You can also click on Go to Details right here and this will open this. So what we need to do next is to just head over in here, click on this Set Priority and make it low right here. And click on Change Priority. Now once you have done that, right click on this again, click on Set Affinity, and then make sure to have this on one CPU only and then click on OK. Now once you have done that, you can just click on this End Task right here. Click on End Process, and as you can see, it has been removed. Next thing we need to do is head over again to our search bar. Search for apps right here. So open this apps. Then once you have opened that, just search in here for Vanguard or to the Riot. And then once you have searched for it, you can just uninstall it. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix Vanguard User Mode Service High CPU 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.